Today, let's grow some bean sprouts at home. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. I hope that everyone is doing well during this self-isolation time. I know that going to grocery shopping has been a problem for a lot of people right now. So today I want to share with you a very simple way that you can grow bean sprouts in just 3 days. And I also got myself a little helper with me today. Let's get started. We have here 8 ounces of mung beans.
Okay.
First, we're just gonna rinse the mung beans.
稍微的洗一下。我洗。OK， 你洗。
And then we're gonna soak it in 3 cups of water for overnight. I pre-soaked my mung beans since last night, and if you take a look at this one, they are double in size, and the skin of the mung beans are partially opened, and you can see some of them has a little sprouts like this. Now we're just gonna rinse and drain again.
那我们现在去桌子上好不好？Okay, let's go.
So to grow your bean sprouts, you can use a steamer over a pot. You can also use a strainer and a bowl. But for us today, we're going to use a colander and a washing bowl. Now, I'm gonna place a wet cheesecloth over this. You can also use wet paper towels.
那个 cheesecloth 刚刚妈咪已经用湿了。
We're gonna spread the mung beans all over evenly.
Okay, 我们把它放进来 ，like spread it all over. 好，这边也放一点。Okay, I think that's about good. Yeah. Let's see. 贝贝。我。
And cover them up with the same cheesecloth.
You'll see tomorrow, okay? 然后妈妈现在要给你做的呢，是帮妈咪倒一下水。你可以help妈咪？
Yeah. We're gonna water it 2 times a day, morning and night. If you wanna do it 3 times, it's also fine. Now we're just gonna throw away the water on the bottom. Cover it with a plate. So by doing so, your bean sprouts will grow thicker, you know, just kind of cute and chubby and beautiful. Cover this up with 2 kitchen towels. And we're gonna place this whole thing at a cool and dark place, trying to avoid direct sunlight, because if the sprout sees any sun in the upcoming days, then they will turn color. Okay, so let's do another one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the cheesecloth with paper towels. Just first wet the paper towels with water and then put in the mung beans. You're doing so well. Emma's gonna be so jealous. She wanna play too. 我们要不要 Emma 一起玩呢？Yeah.
She's gonna eat it.
Huh?
She's gonna eat this one.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna cover it up with a piece of wet paper towel, and then the rest just follow the same steps.
And then cover it up with this. 倒着它。
And this is my day 1 and my day 2. As you can see, they grow really fast. So now this is the 3rd day. Let's see what is happening. So that's it. Our bean sprouts are ready to be eaten, to be cooked. So as you can see, their roots here If you don't like the way these look, you can use a pair of scissors and just trim them off right now. It would be the easiest to do it right now. But for me personally, I think there are lots of nutrition in them. We're just gonna eat them. That was really simple. All you need is some tools here, and then water, 3 days of time, and some mung beans. And all I used was 8 ounces of mung beans, and look at how many bean sprouts I got here. It's enough to cook like 3 meals actually. So if you want to cook them directly, you can just cook them like stir fry or make it into soup. And if you want to save it into your fridge, you can just put it in, wash it thoroughly, and then put it in a Ziploc bag, and then you can use it up later. You can save it up in the fridge for up to 5 days. Alright guys, so that's it for today. If you have any tips or tricks on how to grow bean sprouts, you can comment below, or any other plants. So I hope that everyone is safe and sound. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye!